The Nitecore Pocket 10,000. This is a portable battery charger and is called the Pocket 10,000 because it's small enough to fit in your pocket. This is the box, nothing fancy here, and here is the unit. The only other thing that comes in the box is the instruction pamphlet, and on the US side, English-speaking side, the only two important pages are these right here. But this is really a pretty straightforward thing to use, so you almost don't need the instruction manual. Looking at it though, you can see it is nice and small and compact, hence the name Pocket, because it fits in your pocket. You can see it easily fits in my hand. Price on this is $59.95. I'll put some links down below. You can check them out. This is listed as being 10,000 milliamp hours worth of charge. However, the actual rated energy, as listed on the Nitecore website, is 6,200 milliamp hours. And all of these battery chargers are like this. They are advertised sort of at, say, in this case, 10,000, but the actual useful energy is lower because of voltage conversion and efficiency losses. But still, 6,200 milliamp hours in the case of this is plenty fine. And the things that I generally use this for is if I'm carrying my phone, I have a Pixel Pro XL, and the battery size on this is 5,060 milliamp hours. And pretty much I will get this out somewhere where I'm away from a charger, and then I will bring something like this. Maybe I'm traveling, I was at the air show, and I use this. And I've never had a day where I needed more than the full battery here and an extra charge from a battery charger. So this has always been a perfect combo, really anytime I have needed something like this. Now the Pocket 10,000 has a unique feature that none of the other battery chargers that I've owned for years have. And to show you that and kind of talk about those, this is an old Anker one that I have, 10,000 milliamp hours, also pretty small. Charge indicator there. You can see a USB-A there and even micro USB. That's how old this one is. This is an Anker one. This has a MagSafe one. This is 5,000 milliamp hours. So realistically, this is probably closer to 3,000 rated energy. And then this is the Claris K5. I really like this one. It's also 10,000 milliamp hours listed. Nice and small, as you can see. Has a little screen here showing the charge indication, and then has both USB-A and USB-C there. So these are all great, but the downside of these is that in order to use them, you need to carry a cable. And so you can get a small cable, but whenever you're going to use these somewhere, you're going to carry an extra cable. Getting these out of the way, the claim to fame of the Nitecore Pocket 10,000 is that it has a built-in USB-C cable right here, tucked right into it. So you don't need to carry an extra cable. And when you don't need it, it tucks right back in there, and it has for a nice, clean design. So I love that about it. You can charge it right here through the USB-C port, and you can see it says in and out. And that's because you can both use this to charge it, and you can use this port to charge something else. You can do pass-through charging, so you can be charging it and plug in something to the other side and charging another device while you're charging this. And you can also use this to charge two different things, one from this side and one with a cable out from this side. And just to demonstrate this, here is my Pixel 9 Pro XL. Plugging that in, and you can see it will start fast charging. If you wanted to charge a second device, you can see now I have two charging phones. Maximum output is 5 volts or 3 amps, so you're going to get it split between the two of these, but you can use it to charge two different items if needed. It does have charge indicator lights right here. You press this button and they will light up. And the 4 lights are 75, 50, 25, and one flashing light means it's less than 10%. Looking just around the rest of the outside, there is that in and out port there. On this side, there are all the ratings. Weight on this is 5.64 ounces. My only suggestions for improvements on this would be if this was MagSafe. One of the reasons I don't like using this MagSafe one is because the charging speed is slow and it heats up the phone so much that I've stopped using it. I mean, it works on here, it'll fit on there and it will start charging, but over time the phone really heats up from it. So I don't want this to be MagSafe to charge. What I want it to be is MagSafe to the back of the phone, and then you can just unplug it and plug it into the phone and just have an ease of kind of one unit. And my only other super small critique is that the edges you can see are a little bit more squared off compared to the more chamfered edges of this Claris one. And this is just a little bit more comfortable to hold compared to these more squared off edges. So that'd be my only two thoughts for improvements of this. MagSafe compatibility for holding it to your phone and slightly rounded edges, but really those are super small quibbles on this item that is now going to be my travel charger just because of the ease of use of not having to carry a spare cable. So check this one out. Links below, the Nitecore Pocket 10,000.